So you borrowed crypto and you want to keep your loan so you can capture those big returns, but this whole crypto market bloodbath thing has you worried. What if the value of your collateral drops so low that you can get liquidated? And what if it happens so fast that you can't react? I'm going to show you how you can avoid liquidation by setting up a simple alarm system on Boto.io. Let's use Aave as an example. Aave uses a handy health factor metric to decide how risky your loan is. First, decide what health factor is too close for comfort. Aave will liquidate your collateral when your health factor drops to 1. So to play it safe, let's say you want to get an alert when your health factor drops to 1.5. Next, pull up a no-code bot recipe. Here we're going to use boto.io/bots and search for Aave. Let's say we want to get our alerts over email. I'll also link to this recipe in the description. So now you just need to fill in 3 pieces of info: your wallet address, your health factor threshold, which we decided 1.5, and the email address you want the alerts to get sent to. That is it. Now all you have to do is save the bot and turn it on. Now you'll get emailed whenever your Aave health score drops to 1.5. You can also get these alerts on Discord, Slack, or Telegram, or even all of the above. Thanks for listening. Give us a like or a subscribe. We don't use any ads, so any way that you can share these videos and get the word out about Boto.io really helps us out a lot. Thanks, and good luck.